Welcome to our 5 Minutes With interview. Today we have Associate Professor of Archaeology, Anna-Kaisa Salmi. Anna-Kaisa, thanks for agreeing to be with us.
Of course, I'm happy to be here.
Can we start with your research? Can you tell us about your research, how it started, and just in general for the audience to get to know what you're doing?
Well, broadly speaking, I'm an archaeologist and I study the relationships between people and animals in the past, especially in the north. More specifically, at the moment, I'm focused on reindeer domestication studies and the archaeology of reindeer domestication and development of reindeer herding among the Sami. So I have a research project that looks into that using archaeological data and also traditional knowledge of reindeer herders and trying to combine those different data sets to produce information on the development of reindeer herding here in the north.
And how would you say such a historical project has impact on today's global challenges?
Well, I think it quite directly links to the challenges that reindeer herders are facing today, because the North and the Arctic especially is changing fast, and that also poses many challenges to reindeer herding and also like different land use pressures and that sort of thing. So in this kind of situation, I think it's really important to understand the roots of reindeer herding and also how it has changed through the centuries and millennia.
Yeah. And what would be then the link to this specific program, Biodiverse Anthropocenes?
Well, I think the human-reindeer connection is a prime example of this kind of multi-species interaction and living with animals. So in that sense, the project quite directly links to the themes of biodiverse Anthropocenes, and also my research is bringing this long time and deep time perspective into these questions.
Yeah, and maybe one question out of curiosity. Can you tell us an exciting moment in your research?
Well, I'm not sure if I can name a specific event, but one of the most pleasant memories of the recent years that has really provoked my thinking in science has been the opportunity to arrange a course together with biologists on reindeer or on animal domestication. And we had teachers from archaeology and biology, and we also had students from biology and archaeology. And that was a really pleasant experience, and it gave a lot of food for thought, at least for me, and I hope for the students as well.
Yeah, and that certainly speaks to the program as well, and in its transdisciplinary goals.
Yeah.
Fantastic. Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thanks everybody for being with us today, and see you next time.